Hi everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this 8-bit Black Mage from Final Fantasy. So for this project, I'm using up my scrap 2x4s, and I start off by ripping them into 3 1/4 inch square rods. So next, I am cross-cutting my square rods into varying heights, somewhere between the range of 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and I also alternate the different bevels that I cut the pieces at to give the final product a nice random look. I use a little web app that I created to get the number of pixels per color for the next step of coloring each pixel. And now it's time to color the pixels. I use stains, but not shown in this video. I actually went back and used paint for the yellow and brown color because I couldn't quite get a good color match with those from the stains that I used. So I built a frame to keep everything square when I actually did the glue up, and I totally didn't film the glue up, but here's how it looked like after I took it out of the clamps. I didn't add enough painter's tape because I actually had to pry it out of the frame, and yeah, next time I won't make that mistake. I also had the unfortunate trouble of having to remove some of this painter's tape. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it looked like despite my glue up fail. So, thank you so much for checking out my project, but before I close this video, I did want to share a book that I highly recommend if you're into Final Fantasy and pixel art. It's this one right here. It's basically a collection of the pixel art of Final Fantasy throughout the years, and featured on page number 2627 is our Black Mage. So yeah, highly recommend it. It's a really good art book if you're into that kind of thing. So until next time, bye!